Hey guys, I'm Mike from Napoli Pizza, and I'm here doing this video not only for my YouTube watchers, but also for my staff here at the shop, because we could all use a little more help when it comes to getting consistent with pizza making. So here, we have a medium dough ball for making a medium super combo. So I'm going to start the process from start to finish with the dough all the way to the oven. Now, when we get into the toppings, I'm going to remind you guys that the topping dispersion is going to be for a pizza with 4 toppings or more. Okay, so we have our crust. We're not going to push on the outside edges of the crust because we don't want the crust to be thin. We want to stay right about here so we get a nice little crust. But we don't want it thin in the middle either, so we got to protect against that. We're going to give it a little toss, get the flour off. We'll make sure we have a good coat of flour. We don't want this dough being sticky going on the board. So now that we know that we're where we're supposed to be, we're going to move over to the board. Not tossing and making a lot of flour going everywhere. We're just going to transition. Because the less flour we get all over the place, the better. Rice flour, a little bit here. We're going to toss our dough. We're going to get it down. We're going to make sure it's about the right size. Medium pizza gets a scoop and a half of sauce. Now we're going to get that distinct sauce line that Napoli is known for, about ½ an inch away from the edge. Can you see that? Here it is. Okay, next step. We're going to weigh the cheese. We're going to make a medium pizza. It's going to be a super combo. So now we know we have the right amount of cheese. Now, we're going to push this cheese all the way up to the edge of that sauce. We're going to kind of push it out towards the edges, like that. We don't want a lot of cheese in the middle, because when this crust rises, it's going to force those toppings back to the middle and the cheese. So we want to kind of help that out. All right, we're going to start with salami. Sliced meats, we're going to go right up to the edge of where the cheese meets the sauce. All right, so we have a super combo. So our spacing is going to be about like that, about ½ an inch away. Boom. Salami. Next is pepperoni. I got to work fast because there's pizzas in the oven cooking, so stay with me, guys. And then mushrooms is going to be next. Now with the mushrooms, we don't weigh them or count them, so we're going to do just like a layer. All right, about that many. Next is onions and bell peppers. Same principle. Maybe just a couple more. There we go, we're good. Olive. Now remember, our goal is to get right up to the edge, not past it. See how I have not gone past the sauce and the cheese line? That would be called a hangover. Technically, that would be a hangover. We don't have any hangovers here. So we're gonna do that. Any items on the board would be called a hangover. No toppings on the board. One more thing I'd like to add that I didn't mention is we don't start putting any toppings on the pizza until we know it's the right size. If it's not the right size, then why even bother making the pizza? Because we have 4 different sizes. So we're gonna finish off with our sausage. They need to be about nickel size. Okay, gonna get some more. And the spacing is going to be like so. All right. Hey guys, we're back. Here's our medium super combo. That's what it needs to look like. Take a good look. If yours doesn't look like that, then you need to make it look like that. All right, here we go in the oven. Okay. We'll put it up top so you can see. Now, make sure it's loose on the board, because if it's not loose, you can't get it off the board. Come up close so we can take a look. One smooth transition in the oven, just like that. No shaking, no jiving, no craziness. Just get it in and out. All right, guys. Hey, it's Mike. I'm back again. Napoli Pizza here in Vacaville, and we're pretty much done with our super combo. So from start to finish, here's how we're gonna take it out of the oven, and this one's a delivery, so we're gonna be boxing it up. Here we go. Oh wait, it's not there. Oh. That's because we moved it. Now we moved it to the bottom oven because we needed to hurry up and cook it fast, so we put it in the hot spot. But we didn't just put it in the hot spot. We put it in the hot spot and put a screen underneath it. We always put a screen underneath the pizza if we're going to move the spot. In and out of the oven, shut the door quickly. All right. There's our super combo. That's the one we just cooked up. That's the one we just made. It looks great. We have this drain pan. We're gonna drain that for a few seconds. We want to get any excess moisture out of that pizza because it's going on a delivery. It's gonna be in a box. We don't want it to be soggy. Notice how it's cooked. It's completely cooked. It's done. See how it's brown. All right, we're gonna cut this pizza. 10 slices. Here we go. Quarter to quarter. 4 cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Completely cut it. We're good. Thanks for watching.